Pag kayo Toretto ka, kailangan kinakausap mo yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal. Ito yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal. Mag-hi tayo. Arbab, say hi. Why are you angry, Arbab?
Good. No, never. I'm not angry.
No more.
Hi to everyone.
By the way, everybody, he's the owner of Mang Inasal de Alriga. Mayaman yan.
Welcome always.
Yayamanin yan.
Everyone is welcome.
Why do you like Filipinos?
I love Filipinos.
Why?
Just I love the Filipino from many years. I love them. That's always I love Filipinos.
Tropa ko yun sa Arbab niya. Thank you, Arbab.
No any reason. Just they're really good people, soft people. From the beginning, I love them.
Oy, tingnan kung libre yung pagkain ko or hindi. My food is free or no?
Of course,
I
free.
pay or no?
No.
Thank you. Hoy, mayaman yan. Yayamanin talaga yan. Hoy, everybody, for our last stop, eto na talaga yan. The Mang Inasal, halo-halo. Walang tatalo dito, oy. Kung may pera kayo, again, mag-spend kayo sa sarili nyo. Kumain kayo sa Mang Inasal. Maghalo-halo kayo, mag-chicken inasal kayo.